everyone. Thank you again for having subscribed. Thank you for always visiting your YouTube channel for free learning. Today I'm going to show you some idioms that can help you sound so fluent in English speaking. I will explain these idioms in Kinyarwanda and give examples just to make sure you can grasp the meaning and be able to apply in your daily interactions as you speak with people who use English. So iyi video tugiye kureba inshoberamahanga z'ingenzi ushobora kwifashisha uganira n'abantu bazi icyongereza ukazikoresha kandi kumvikana nawe nk'umuntu umaze kumenya kuvuga icyongereza neza kandi uzi vocabulaire zituma wumvikana n'abantu ku kigero cyiza cyane. Ndatanga ingero kandi ingero turanazisobanura no mu kinyarwanda kugira ngo urusheho gusobanukirwa uburyo nawe wazikoresha mu buzima busanzwe. Here is the title as we have already seen. Idioms mu kinyarwanda bisobanura inshoberamahanga. And we can just move on with our very first idiom. You can see it here, which is break the ice. And I have to emphasize this. We don't say break the ice because of this D. The next word starts with a vowel, then the D becomes D. That's why I said break the ice. Now bisobanura gutangira ikiganiro. Here we have an example. You can also say start a conversation, but to be more fluent and more professional to those who are maybe native, you better use break the ice. Here is an example. It's hard for me to break the ice when I encounter a stranger. It's hard for me to break the ice when I encounter a stranger. Birangora gutangira ikiganiro iyo mpuye n'umuntu ntazi cyangwa se iyo mpuye n'umuntu ntamenyereye. Use this idiom and give an example in the comment section just to see how you can use it in your daily life. The second idiom that we are going to discuss is spill the beans. Spill the beans. Kumena ibanga. And we have an example here. She always spills the beans. Tell her this on your own risks. She always spills the beans. Tell her this on your own risks. Ahora amena amabanga wirengere kumubwira ibingibi cyangwa se numubwira ibingibi birakureba. Let's say she's a friend, but you commonly know that she never keeps secrets, and you're warning someone that if they ever happen to tell them a certain secret, then they should believe it's spilled, like it's revealed. Everyone is going to be informed about the secret, and it will no longer be a secret. We have other idioms that we are going to see to keep you educated and equipped so that you can interact with people who use advanced English so that you can interact with them effectively. Now, the next idiom is a piece of cake. A piece of cake. It's something which is easy to do, something which is easy, which doesn't complicate you. Ni ikintu cyoroshye gukora. We have an example. This exam was a piece of cake. None could fail. This exam was a piece of cake. None could fail. Iki kizami cyari cyoroshye, nta n'umwe wari gutsindwa. And I can emphasize here on this. Many people read it or pronounce it like this, which is a mistake. This is this, and its plural is this. Another idiom here, we have bite the bullet. Bite the bullet. This means to be brave and bold to face challenging situations. Bisobanuye gukomera ugahangana n'ibintu bikomeye. cyangwa se ugahangana n'ibibazo, gushira amanga, ugahangana n'ibibazo runaka na situation ikugoye. And here we have an example. This word is not easy. You should learn to bite the bread. This word is not easy. You should learn to bite the bread. Iyi si ntabwo yoroshye. Ugomba kwiga gukomera ugahangana n'ibikomeye cyangwa se ugahangana n'ibibazo. Let's say it's your kid and you see him praying, you see him jogging a race, he's like aging, getting maybe in maturity age, but you find him doing childish stuffs. And tell him, hey guy, this word is not easy. You should learn to buy the bread. Isi ntabwo yoroshye, ugomba kwiga gukomera ugahangana n'ibikomeye. So these are the idioms we had to see today, but this is a non-stop learning journey. We'll be uploading as many as possible for you to advance with us. A kind reminder that if you haven't subscribed yet, you can please do it. Please again share this with your friends. Remember to like, remember to add comments using some of these idioms to prove your understanding and also to interact with fellow students who are interacting with this channel.